Hello guys, welcome to another of our video tutorial. In this video today we're going to be teaching you how you can make use of pandas as one of the modules you can use in PyDroid applications. Okay, so yesterday we wanted to talk about it, but we decided to leave it up so you can really understand how to install pandas first. So today we are going in details how you can make use of pandas in PyDroid. Okay, so first of all you have to import pandas as I have done. All right, so I will just go into the coding itself. Just move along with me. All right. Okay guys, I just created a dictionary using the list method. All right, so I created a few lists, then I use those lists to create a dictionary. So I'm going to print the dictionary right now so we know if what we've written down is correct. Okay. Okay guys, our dictionary is correct. Whatsoever we have typed in the dictionary is correct. As you can see, the nations are printed and whatsoever arrangement we have with the dictionary are also printed. All right, so proceed. Now it is time to make use of our pandas. All right. Okay, so guys, we have come to where we can make use of our pandas. You can see here we imported pandas and we say we want to use PD instead of the pandas. So each time you say PD, you know we are talking about pandas. So here we said dict2 to be equal to pd.dataframe. So we want to make use of pandas right now. I want to print this dictionary in a data frame format. Okay, so we have created a data frame format which you assign the variable dict2. So we are printing the dict2 right now. All right. Okay guys, you can see our data has changed to a better format, exactly as we wanted it to be in a data frame. But you can see here that we have dotted lines in between, meaning that the words are longer than the screen can contain. So it's either we reduce the sizes of what we have used in the initial code or we leave it at that, so long as we know what we are doing. All right, so let's go back. So if you want to amend it here, you can just use pop. Okay, so here we can use economy, or you can say eco. Say here we'll assign eco as well here. All right, so let's run it again and see. Here we can say, okay, let's leave nation as it is. Okay, so let's run it again and see what happens. Okay, very correct. Like you can see, every detail is displayed on the screen according to the size. All right, so this is how you display a pandas dictionary into a data frame using pandas. All right, so let's proceed. Okay, so guys, we have actually carried out the first function of using pandas, which is to make it a data frame. Okay, so we are going to show you how you can save your dictionary. We have created a dictionary right now, but if you clean this off, you can't be able to use it again. If you want to use pandas and this particular dictionary any other time, you will have to start typing it all over again. So in our next class, I'm going to teach you how to save your data frame dictionary. All right, so you don't have to start repeating it all over again. You just type a certain code and it will bring it out. Okay, see you in our next class. Take care.